Hello and welcome back to Cooking the Haydens, and I'm Car Boot Chris. And you might wonder why I've got a copy of Playboy on the PlayStation 2 and a box of tissues. Well, this starts my brand new series. It's called 60-Second Tips. I'm going to be giving one piece of advice, one golden nugget, one little tip for the reseller world each episode. And I'm going to do it in just 60 seconds. So this is my first little tip. It's Mr. Muscle window and glass, and it's got the added vinegar, which is really important. It will not get scratches out. What it will do is give it a nice finish and take any bits of grime off. And there you go, it's quite nice that now. So that's it really. Tip number one, simple but effective.